This is a video of our views upon breakups, or various things, including breakups, birds, slash guys, birds, Facebook, and rumors. And yeah, so
pretty much whatever else.
Yeah, and whatever else we do. Okay, so number one, Uno.
Breakups.
Breakups. I guess, I don't know. It kind of depends on who broke up with who.
What kind of guy?
And the reason of the breakup. For example, if, like, per se, the girl, legitimately, cheated on the guy, then, you know, break up. And, if the guy cheated on the girl, well, it kind of depends,
on your relationship.
On your relationship.
And, if the guy's a creeper, creeping you,
and is, really obsessive. And,
break up with.
Because if he's really obsessive, and if he likes to stalk you 24/7, and
Facebook,
and stuff like that, red flag right there.
If you're in freshman health class, you know exactly what I'm doing.
Red flag. Mr. Cajun, red flag. That shit crack. Yeah. I think no matter what situation is, besides maybe the cheating one, legit cheating, you know what I'm saying? Then you guys should at least try to talk. Maybe just a little bit. Say hello in the hallway, maybe. Not be so awkward.
Yeah. Plus, I don't know about everyone, but just in high school, so
yeah.
Not gonna get married.
If you break up,
not to burst your bubble.
Kind of being a hypocrite, I know. But if you break up with someone who you've only been going out with for I'm just gonna pick a random number, 3 months.
Exactly.
Then you should probably get over that. Not too soon though. You shouldn't get over it too soon. Because if you get over it too soon,
it's been a week.
Then you're just
a whore.
You're a whore. Because especially, okay, wait. Okay, I didn't mean it like that, but yeah, I did. Well, and I think, because you have 4 years, you know, high school, 4 years, I think
not enough time to have fun. Actually, yeah.
That's not what I was getting at, but
college.
I don't know. No, but, and guys just suck, period. They just suck. And
most guys.
A lot of guys, all of them actually. And yeah, breakups. That's our view on it. Not good. Unless
breakups suck.
Birds! Woo!
I hate birds. I got attacked by one at Walmart one time. It came to me like this. It sucked.
Oh. What is wrong with this color?
Birds suck.
Birds.
God, sweetie.
Damn, sweetie, that dumb
bitch.
Dumb birds.
Oh, I hate birds.
Sweetie, that's dumb.
God. They're always flying, hitting my window, ruining my day. Whenever I see one, they're follow me. Follow me. Go everywhere I go.
Traumatized. Okay.
Showing some.
Breakups suck. Okay,
Birds.
birds suck.
They suck. Nothing about birds good.
Except they have
Little
diseases.
beady little eyes and those little sharp beaks and.
You just copied. You're a copier.
I am. You're a copier too.
This came out. Okay. They have diseases. And no one wants diseases like syphilis and chlamydia. Nobody.
Those damn birds.
Nobody wants. Oh wait, yeah, we're talking about. Nobody wants chlamydia. Nobody wants chlamydia.
Sounds like you have some experience. HPV shot. Your bandit on.
It's take it off.
Okay, good.
I don't have chlamydia.
Anymore.
I don't think I have chlamydia.
God, 36 minutes.
No! Okay. No, because that one guy. And I'm just saying, like, no one will.
Will you do some awesome moments, dude? But that'll be our next video.
Oh, dude, we'll argue on awesome. Okay.
No, we do some awesome moments. Okay.
Facebook. Birds suck. Okay. Facebook. I love Facebook, and I'm addicted to it. And
I don't like Facebook.
Like my weird addiction, you know that show? Like if I could eat Facebook or like marry it, I would. And then I'd be on that show. Like just go to Facebook. I hate Facebook. It's really hard to not put your drama on Facebook because like what do you think it's there for, people? Like what do you literally what do you think it's, and then like everyone complaining about like, oh my god, I hate. Oh wait, you did this. Okay, wait. Okay, just.
Oh, I did. What?
Just go away. But.
Hey, you go there?
What? The book is this good, nigga? Dude. Yes. But I think that the people who are like, OMG, keep your Facebook in a tissue, like, yeah, it is.
Keep your Facebook.
The virtual tissue and a virtual diary and a virtual post your relationship.
Like pictures, relationships, and
Facebook official your relationships. Facebook official your ending of your relationship before you tell your girlfriend first. But I love Facebook.
Totally tired of that.
And I live here now. And in like Stevens, Facebook is like the shit, and everyone goes on Facebook, and like no one really does that like as much here. So like they're all getting in my business about posting 20 statuses every day. Get over it. And okay, rumors.
They stopped.
I don't like them.
You weren't there. You don't know what happened.
You weren't there.
I'm talking to you.
We've experienced with all of these things.
You. Like, I must have, like, was
you, okay, obviously.
Was I not there? No, I was there.
Obviously.
You were not there. You were not there.
You weren't there. But, this goes to you. You know who you are.
I want to say your name so
You
bad.
know.
I'm not going to.
You know.
I'm not. I'm sure at all.
Okay, you weren't there. And first of all,
You weren't there.
you weren't there.
Second of all,
nope,
you.
not that one.
I was there. You weren't there.
Second of all, like why get into other people's like business? Like why do you do I don't understand.
Like I drank out of a cup could turn into like I died.
Like two girls in one cup.
Yeah, they could turn from like I looked at water 2 girls in one cup. Like what the hell?
So like
especially like Sandpoint when like everything's so like
everything is small here.
So small.
Everything is small here.
Everything. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, I hope you heard that. I hope every girl in Sandpoint. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Let it. Sorry. Okay.
No, don't be sorry.
I'm not sorry. Anyways, rumors, they're not okay. And if you're gonna like get in other people's business, and if you're gonna be like telling other people things that you think are true, like, why do that? And then like, I don't do that. I so don't do that. And you do that. So stop doing that.
Some of you.
Most of you do that. I don't do that anymore because I know what it's like to be done. What?
No.
Was that Dylan?
No, hold on.
I wasn't listening. That was you yesterday. Oh, okay. Rumors suck. That's my view on it. And you suck if you're a rumor starter. You suck big stuff.
Rumors are very fun.
Small stuff. What?
Rumors are fun to start though.
No, they're not.
They are fun.
They're only fun to start.
Have you hate the person?
No. Because man face, okay, who lives in Antarctica, started or not Antarctica, like Steven, started a rumor because she hates said person or whatever. Yeah, no, you don't start rumors if you hate the person. That's just even worse because that's just stupid and that's whole thing. And don't start rumors. Don't do it. Don't start rumors.
What's it gonna take, bro? Yep. To sum it all up, breakups suck, birds suck, Facebook sucks, and rumors suck.
Facebook rocks.
Sucks.
And rumors suck. Birds are shit.
Scary as hell.
Birds poop on you.
Goddamn shit.
They just poop anywhere they want to. Like,
it's like
they're flying.
We use toilets and lakes. Why can't they use toilet?
Birds.
Or leaf.
Leaf. Birds, come on.
Like, or their own little nest. Have like a nice little like assortment of toilets.
Yeah, like
twigs.
Good one.
Birds.
Birds just suck. Rumors suck. Breakups and guys just suck. Like breakups just suck, and I hate breakups, and I don't really. Breakups suck. Guys suck. And yeah. So yeah.
It's a really sad video, like hateful video.
Yeah.
It's a hateful video. We're not hateful people.
I'm hateful towards some people. I'm hateful towards these things. So.
Not like we made a list before we did this.
I'm familiar. I'm showing a list. Okay, well. Peace out, syphilis.
Gross. Syphilis.
My finger looks weird.
12 minutes, did
13.
Oh, that is over.
I have one more thing to say.
What?
I don't know.
You'll never find.
Okay, well, yeah, that's it. Okay. We're gonna do another one sometime in the near future.
Like 10 minutes. Right after this?
Yeah. Okay. Peace.
Yeah.
Peace out.